Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Google Ads for local lead generation, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin registering for Google Ads, first, open your web browser. Type in the URL for Google Ads and hit enter. You will see a Start Now button on the home page. Click on that button to initiate the registration process. Next, sign in using your existing Google account. If you don't have an account, select Create Account to set one up. Once logged in, you will be prompted to set up your first campaign. Click on Switch to Expert Mode to access more detailed options. Now, choose Create a Campaign without a goals guidance. For local lead generation, select Search as your campaign type. Next, you'll be asked to set your campaign name. Choose a name that's descriptive for easy identification later. After naming your campaign, uncheck the box for Display Network. This focuses your ads on local searches. In the location settings, select the geographic area you want to target. Enter your local area or use the map for more precise targeting. Proceed to set your budget. Decide how much you're willing to spend daily on ads. Then, choose your bidding strategy. For local leads, consider selecting Maximize Conversions. Now, add your keywords. Think of phrases that potential customers might use to find your services. Next, create your ad. Make sure to include a catchy headline, relevant description, and a clear call to action. Once your ad is set up, review all your settings. Ensure everything aligns with your local lead generation goals. Finally, click on Publish to make your campaign live. Your Google Ads account is now registered and ready for local lead generation. Regularly monitor your campaign performance to optimize. Make necessary adjustments to your keywords and ads based on the data you collect. This will help you effectively generate local leads. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.